Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to get demo games on Steam. Here are the simple steps to get demo games on Steam. Open your Windows PC and make sure you're connected to the internet. Launch the Steam app or download it from the official Steam website if you don't have it. Make sure to log into your Steam account. In the top left corner, click the Store tab. Click inside the search bar at the top of the store page. Type demo or the name of the game you want to check for a demo and press enter to show the search results. Then, if you saw download demo, click on it or you can click on the browse, then click on demos. Browse the list and choose a game demo you want to try. On the game page, look for the download demo or download button. Choose your drives, then hit install to start installing it. Wait for Steam to download and install the demo. Once finished, go to your library, find the game, and click play to try the demo. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.